student, today we are going to see Standard 5th Moral Science. The lesson name is Money Does Not Matter. Come, let us move to the video session.
Lesson number 9. Money does not matter. Words of wisdom. Be wealthy not with money but with good human qualities. That means in this words of wisdom we are going to learn that is when the person is wealthy, it is not only with the money but it is true fact that with the good human qualities. When you're having good human qualities, you are the wealthiest person in the world. So, wealthy means it is not because of money, it is with good human qualities. The Nizam of Hyderabad was one of the richest men in the world. That means Nizam is a person name. He was there in the Hyderabad. He was the richest person in the world. He had palace. That means many palaces was there for a Nizam. As well as car, many factories were there, jewels. The things which we are wearing, no earrings, ornaments, everything is called as jewels. As well as more money he was having. Everything he was having, but after some days, what happened? He was died. Do you think how much money would have taken? Yes, when he was dead, not even a single coin with him to for the burial, but nothing was there with him. Not even a single coin was there with him. When he died, he cannot take anything from. That means anything he cannot take from with us. Money, no doubt, it is very useful, but it is most important thing in our life. We know money is very important thing in our life, but it doesn't have any things when we are dying. Before that, it does everything for us, but when we are dying, it does not cost anything. So, always have a good human qualities. It is not the only thing that counts. When we are counting, it costs a much, but if you are not having any good human qualities, it does not have means wealthier. So, always be wealthy with a good human qualities. Let us see one more incident. We can buy many things with money, but our greatness will not shown in our money. We cannot show our character with our money. So always be useful of using your character and behavior. We cannot get the character and behavior with the help of money. So once the character has to be built means we have to be correct in our things. Once a farmer who was there in Pune, whose name is Govind Jadhav, he discovered a hidden treasure. For example, when he was digging the ground, he was get a hidden treasure. He was get lot of money. He had found the jewels of Maratha chieftain. That means when he was getting all the money as well as he got a jewels. You all know jewels, isn't it? Is the jewels he has got from the hidden things. Suddenly, COVID has many friends as well as he was become very rich in that place. That means he become Sri Govind Rao. That means when he was without a surname, he was there Govind Jadhav. Now what has come at the front? Sri Govind. So he has become Sri Govind. His name was appeared in the newspaper because of the treasure. After some time, what he had? He gave all the parties to everybody. That means lashes party, which they have been drinking, everything they will be doing in that. But we should not do all those things. He was invited to preside over function and he was asked to contribute the various charitable causes. In that party, he was not able to contribute as money to the charitable. That means we can offer anything for the people who was poor people as well as who are very in a poverty time. They can help them, but he does not help anybody. Now, Govind Jadhav was delighted to get all the attention, but in 1 year, all the money was over. Now, what happened? All the money gets over. He does not have any money in his hand, even a single coin, he does not have enough money. He had no friends at all. When we are having money only, the friends will come and attach with us. If there is no money, what they will do? They will not come and join with us. So, always the money will not brings anything. Only the good human qualities brings everything in our life. Money should be earned through honest means. That means if you want to earn a money, when we are very honest, we can earn a money in a good manner. Everyone has the right to food, shelter, clothing, and other necessities. If you are living in this place, you will have a good shelter, good food you will be having, clothing you will be having, everything we will be having. But that is the reason people work to earn a living. Because of that only the peoples are earning money to get their foods in our daily life. But there are many people who want money the easy and the wrong way. That means if the people want to get the money in the wrong way, it is a bad habit. Don't do that. People try to get money by stealing or cheating. It is a very, very bad habit. For example, we are seeing many news in the television. For example, in that house they have steal this much of things. In this house they have cheated this much of amount of money. Like that we are watching many televisions. Yes, but this is not a good habit. When you are using it in a wrong way, it is wrong for everybody. When we are using it in a good way, it is good for everyone. So, always use the money in a good time and earn it in the good way. When we are dishonest, we harm ourselves. That means if you are dishonest in yourself, we are harming ourselves itself. You will hurt others and offend God. That means we will hurt God itself. Nobody becomes a criminal in one day, but if you are doing it in a regular way, you will become a criminal. Abid used to steal small coins from his mother purse. Abid means he is a boy who will always steal a thing from a mother purse. He managed to do this often without being caught. That means without mother's permission, he is taking everything, but nobody knows in our home. He did not catch at all. He was very, very greedy and did not take care of his family. He was using the money to buy sweets for himself. He will steal the money and he will use that money for other purpose to eat the snacks like that. He used to tell other children that his parents were giving him pocket money every day. But he used to tell that every person that her mother only giving a pocket money for every day. When he came to school, he began stealing the pens of his classmate. What he will do? Abid is always stealing others' pen. Whoever studying in the class, he will steal all the pens. During the recess, he could sometimes take the books of the children. Even he not only take the pens, he will always take the books also. He could sell these things in order to get money and show off. He will sell that things and he will be getting the money. Because of what is getting money? To eat the snacks. One day what happened? He stole the teacher's pen. What he stole now? Stole means he has steal the teacher's pen. The whole class was punished since no one owned up. That means no one has taken the teacher's pen. The headmaster searched everybody's bag. He found the pen in the Abid's book. Now whose book that is? Abid book. Habit's parents were called to the school. Now he want to take the parents to the school. His father was very much shamed because of his son. Now what happened? Her father came and meet the principal. He was very much ashamed to meet the principal because her son has steal the pens of teacher. No one wanted him to speak a bit because they did not want to be a friend of a thief. Now everybody knows that Abid only is taking all the pens, books, everything. But now he became a thief. So all the classmates decided that we should not have a friendship with Abid. Poor Abid, he was not satisfied with what he had. That means whatever he did, he was not at all satisfied. Our father was not at all satisfied what he did. He wanted more money and he also used unfair means of getting it. Now what he's doing? Because of unnecessary things, he is stealing everything and getting money. It is a very, very bad habit. Please, children, when you're also in the classroom or wherever it may be, please, whatever you have, do it on that. If you want to get something, ask your friends or neighbors, everybody, and get it with their permission. But only the thing is, we should not steal or cheat anybody. Once upon a time, there was a learned man called Paramanand. He was very much learned. That means he was very brilliant man, whose name is Paramanand. He went to the Maharaja of Dharmapur. That means he went to the Maharaja who is there in the place of Dharmapur. He went to the Maharaja, who was very much brilliant and miserly man. Paramanand said, "Look through that window and tell me what you have seen there." Now who is asking? Paramanand is asking to the Maharaja what you can see through the window. The Maharaja replied, "I see many peoples." He can see many peoples. Then Paramananda looked to the mirror and said, "Now who's seeing?" Paramananda is seeing at the mirror and saying, "Look at and tell me what you have seen here." Now in this mirror, what you have seen? He is answering, "I see myself." Answered by who? Maharaja. First time he have seen many people. The second time he has seen only herself. Then Paramananda explained, in the window there is a plain glass. Now what is there in the window? There was a plain glass. You can see many things. But in the mirror there is a glass which is covered with a silver plate. If you have seen the mirror, it will be covered with a silver plate. So, to make it mirror, what we are seeing? No sooner a little silver is added to stop seeing others. Only if you want to see yourself, only the silver plated has been coated with a mirror. Because of that, you can see only yourself. But in the window, there was a only plain glass, you can see all over. So now what he is doing? In the same way, because you have a little silver and little gold, you can see only yourself. If you're having gold and silver, you can see only yourself. If you're not having that, you can see many peoples all around the world. So don't trust on your money. Please trust on the human beings. That means be have confidence in yourself with the good human qualities. Money cannot buy faith, hope, love, confidence, everything. Is the same like with money we can buy all the things whatever there in the world, but our character, behavior, manners, everything we cannot buy with the help of money. The same like it can neither buy friends. Even sometime we can buy the friend also, but we cannot buy the honor and truth. We cannot always buy the truth from the money. The way we get money and the way we spend it are the test of our character. The way we are using the money and way we are using the earning money and selling it. That means we are using it money for the other purpose. It denotes that our character. See the heart and not the purse of all the people you come across. Again, I'll tell you, see the heart and not the purse of the people who come across you. That means always we should see the heart, we should not see the purse of anybody, whoever it may be. We can come across all over the thing, but we should see only the heart of human beings. We should not see the purse of human being. So I hope you all understood about the lesson money does not matter. Thank you, students.